स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manua. Today in this video we'll talk all about the TISNET, PIT and PI round. If you want to grab a seat in the prestigious courses of TIS and become a full-time TCN for next 2 years, then you have to score exceptionally well in the second stage, that is nothing but the PIT and PI. That is the pre-interview test and the personal interview. So PIT and PI are the program specific and might have variation across the different programs. So TIS conduct the PIT as well as PI rounds between the March to April for admission to its postgraduate courses. So here we'll discuss in detail about the second stage. So let's move further. And friends, in case you want to join the online program, so you can call on this number or you can simply visit to the manuaedu.com. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So to enter into the TISS, you have to crack the TISNET exam. And to pursue courses like HRMLR and ODCL, you have to give TISMAT along with TISNET. So this is the first stage and the second stage is the PIT and PI round, and then only you can enter into the TISS. So moving further, and here I listed the weightage for pre-interview test and the personal interview for the both non-HRM and ODCL programs and the HRM and ODCL programs. And friends, here the TISNET score will not be considered for the final selection. TISNET score plays the qualifying role here in both the programs. So the candidates who appeared for the TISNET only, the scores of PIT and PI rounds will be aggregated in the ratio of 70/30. And those who are applied for the HRM and ODCL program, here the TISMAT score has the weightage of 30%, while the pre-interview and the PI in the ratio of 40/30. So let's move further. So let's talk in detail about the pre-interview test. So it is basically conducted to evaluate the candidate's social aptitude and his ability to think critically and communicate effectively. It comprises either a group discussion, aptitude test, written aptitude test, or both GD and VAT. So the group discussion is basically a communicative stage where participant shares their ideas, views and opinions with other participants, and there are 8 to 12 members in each GD sessions, and the time allotted for GD session is 20 to 30 minutes, and GD is one of the most popular to evaluate the candidates. Now what is an aptitude test? It can be ranged from anything to MCQ to fill in the blanks. And the third one is VAT, that is the written ability test. It carries the 50 marks and it is further divided into essay writing or case study, and essay writing for 30 marks while the case study for 20 marks. So in essay writing, the candidates will be given choice of 2 topics, and from which they will be required to select one topic, and then candidates will be required to write a short essay on the topic, and after that candidates will discuss the given topic in group. While in the case study, candidates will be required to answer the question based on any topic, and this is done to evaluate the awareness and sensitivity towards the concerned field. And the topic for essay and case study will be on contemporary issues related to the social work, social development, rural development, the topics related to current issues, the flagship government schemes, and the most important one, the course you are looking for. And why flagship government schemes? Because this often poses a question around government policies and its flagship schemes in order to evaluate the candidates' fundamental concepts. That means the political, economical, social and technological concepts. And the flagship government schemes such as the Ayushman Bharat, PM Jan Arogya Yojana, Smart Cities Mission, Swachh Bharat, PM Ujjwala Yojana and etc. So moving further, here are some tips. So in GD session, the first one is to understand the topic for discussion. The second one, be an attentive listener, be clear in your speech, catch the attention, and the most important one is the what or how much. So here the what you say is most important rather than how much you say. While in a VAT, the first point is tree and branches. You have to make a tree, that means the topic, and then you have to make the subtopics, that is branches. While writing, use the bullet points so you can easily count the words. The third one, write in the format of paragraph, that means the first paragraph for the introduction while the second paragraph for the body of essay, and the third one for the conclusion. And the fourth point, as we already discussed, that is political, economical, social and technological studies. So to clear both, that is GD sessions and VAT, you have to adhere to the current scenario. So to build up the current affairs and GK, you can try our current affairs and GK sectional course. So let's move further. And the most important one, that is the personal interview. And in the personal interview, you will be judged on the dressing, your confidence and your body language. And most asked question is, why specialization in this particular course? So here are some questions which asked in the personal interview, that is, tell me about yourself, describe yourself in 3 words, what are your long-term goals, and this one is most important. So let's move further. And friends, here I listed some of the parameters, or you can say that ingredients, which you must have for all this GD session, VAT and for the personal interview. And in PIT and PI, you will be judged on in the GD session for knowledge, the body language, confidence, communication skills, behavior, interactions and the problem solving and critical thinking skills. While in the VAT, you will be judged on the knowledge, critical thinking, social awareness, thought articulation and the communication skills. While in the PI, you will be judged on the interpersonal skills, thinking process, future goals, communication skills, attitude, body language and the most one, your confidence. So friends, if you want to grab a seat in TISS, then score exceptionally well in the second stage, that is the PIT and PI. And to get the particular training on PIT and PI, you can join our live lectures where you will get the training for PIT, PI, personality development, and for the preparation you will get books, mock test, sectional and the full course. So call on 8828581455 or you can simply visit to the manoedu.com/MBA entrance, and this link I also mentioned in the description, so kindly check the description. So guys, this is very important video. Do share with your friends who are the aspirants of TISNET so they can get benefit from this video. So friends, thank you very much. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.